Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up AI audiobook and listen to books on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. First of all, let's enable the reading mode on our smartphone by swiping up the toggle, selecting one of the reading modes and enabling it. Now let's go to our bookshelf. Okay, currently I don't have any books, so we can go to the bookstore and select a book from here. Let's start reading the book. And now, to convert this book into an AI audiobook, you simply have to tap on any page and then tap on the headphones icon. Then you're gonna have to install the language pack for this book. Let's wait until it's downloaded. And now we can start playing the book simply by tapping play and letting the AI reader read it. We can also change the AI male voice to AI female voice. We can change the speed of the reader, and we can also set the time shutdown for a selected book. And this way we can listen to audiobooks by converting any book into audiobook on our smartphone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.